So we got a brand new steering wheel for the Mercedes, and I got this straight from Japan. It's a Nardi. Yes. So, okay, before I show you guys actually, let's take off this old steering wheel and then I'll show you guys what kind of Nardi I got. Have your guesses in the comments down below, see what Nardi I got. Let's take off this old steering wheel. Brand new steering wheel. We need to take off this old one. I don't even know if I can do this by myself because I know the steering wheel nut on pretty much all cars are like 82 foot-pounds or newton meters of torque. So it's quite a bit, but we gotta try. Also, I need to tell you guys about the Z. We got it back from the workshop and it's not good news. Hey, it's pretty sad news, not gonna lie. Anyways, let's get on with this steering wheel. A 10mm hex socket or hex nut. You need a socket, well, not a socket, like a hex bit, is that what it's called? Yeah. It's going to be pretty hard, so I don't know if I can do this by myself. I don't think I can, but we'll see. Oh, brother, I got it. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna disconnect the battery before I freaking kill myself. Oh, what? Look at that. Look at that. If you have that like typography, the one that you're scared of holes, I'm sorry, but it's kind of weird, eh? Old steering wheel is out. Onto the new steering wheel. Let's open it up, eh? Let's go. We have a Nardi, you guys already know. A Nardi 3/3 Gara? I don't even know what it was called. But I got it for like a pretty reasonable price. Even I was shocked. Man. Bang! Look at that. Nardi Gara 3 out of 3. Or maybe version 3 or something. I don't know. But yeah, buddy, look at that. Secondhand, but like it's no scratches, no marks, no nothing. So we got a steal, ladies and gentlemen. Gara Nardi steering wheel. Brother, let's go. Look at this beauty. It's all clean, no marks, all leather, so it sticks with the all black leather dash style. I did have a wood grain one, but I like put it on or like up and I didn't like it. Hey, the wood grain one was too much. It was not my style, and it looked out of place with the black dash and black cluster and black center and stuff like that. So yeah, I didn't like it at all. But this is another story. I like this. Let's see how it actually looks in the car. Let's see if my decision paid off. Please look good. Please look good. Oh wait, I need to put the boss kit on. It's alright, we'll put it up and let's see. Actually, no, I want to wait. I want to put the boss kit on. Ooh, that looks good. Okay. Boss kit on first. So, I'm guessing that is the top. Bang. Look at that. Brother, let's go. This basket is on. Need to take this padding off the Nardi. Gentle, 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 gentle. There you go. Oh. Alright, so horn. Alright. So the Z is going to be a while. Not good news at all. Not good news. So I took it to the workshop and they did like a diagnosis of it, and they found there was no comms between the ECM and the TCM. So that means worst case scenario did happen. Am I happy? Definitely not. But we know what the problem is, and yeah, it's going to be like a 4, 5, 6K fix probably, because they called up Nissan and was like, hey, we need a new TCM, ECM for a 370Z, and they're like, yeah, cool, but it has to come to us. It has to come to a dealership because they are the only ones that can program it to the car. So that means, yes, dealership, prices, labor, parts, all dealership. So yeah, that's fun, man. That's fun. That means, yeah, we all gotta be patient. That means we can work more on this car and we can focus on finishing this car. And I also have to do like maintenance stuff with the Z, like the gallery gaskets and all the gaskets and stuff like that. So yeah, it gives me some time to do that. And also I need to put it back to stock, because get this, your boy completely mixed up dates and missed the registration. So registration is expired. Mixed up the dates with this car and that car. I don't know why, I don't know how, but yeah, it happened. So I need to put it back to stock and put it back through the pits. So that's also another thing. It's going to take some time. Bear with me, because it's going to take a lot of money. Not necessarily time, but yeah, a lot of money. It's an expensive bill. But in saying that, the steering wheel is almost on. Cool, that's tight. Talk to spec. Let's put the cover on and let's see what it looks like. Brother, don't. Oh, you guys gotta see this. You guys gotta see this. Oh, that looks so clean. That looks so clean. Alright, you're gonna see this. And there we have it, a new addition to the Merc build, the new Nardi steering wheel. Rear quarter window is fixed, that's all good. Stock steering wheel can now be stored away. Parts are coming. The Merc is truly on its way to being what my vision is for a clean, insane street Evo 1 build. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you guys enjoyed it, please click that like and subscribe button and comment what you think about the Nardi steering wheel. Do you guys like it? Do you guys don't? What steering wheel should I have chosen? But I love this one, I really do. So yeah, anyways, as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, peace, bye.